There, y'all. It's Miss Campbell. I'm going to go through a couple problems on today's assignment where I think maybe you'll just need a little bit more explanation. So the first one's going to be number 9. Okay. All the other ones, guys, y'all should know how to do these. You're just setting up the proportions. So number 9 is a little bit different. Here we see we have the angle bisector theorem. So we would do 10 over x is equal to 15 over this little piece right there. The only problem is that we don't have that extra piece right there. So we know the total length and then we know x. We're going to have to get this section in terms of the total length and x. So if pretend that x was a number there, okay, how would I find out what this missing piece is? Well, I would just subtract them. So that piece right there is 18 minus x. And so that's how you can set up the proportion for number 9. All right, another one where you might have a little bit of difficulty would be number 11. And really, it shouldn't be too much. Just read the hint here, okay? You will need to think of the two triangles separately for the distance between the pond and the monument. And to find the distance between the pond and the monument, you actually don't even have to solve for x first, because some people might think you have to solve for x first and then do that. But just use the information that you already have, okay? And it's going to end up being a part to whole type situation, okay? Because we're going to have here the small triangle. We got 60, right? And then its match would be the 35. But now here, the pond and the monument, that's the big triangle. So you can't just do 24 and compare it there. You have to do the whole big thing. So you need to actually end up adding the 60 and the 24. And then that will help you find that distance to the monument. And then the last little bit here for number 12, it says the array bisects an angle of a triangle and the opposite side is divided into 2 sections measuring 8 inches and 9 inches. Okay, if another side of the triangle measures 12 inches, what are the longest and shortest lengths possible for the third side? Okay, so what you got to do is you've got to go through here and you see, look at the hint. It says, think of how the sides given could be placed on the triangle and then how that would create a different proportion. So essentially, draw the 2 cases that you've got. It says the opposite side is cut into 8 inches and 9 inches. And it says one side of the triangle is 12. Well, we don't know if that's on the left side or the right side. So guess what? Try it both ways. Set up one proportion with it being over here. And then go and set up a second proportion with it being on the other side. And then that will give you your range for that third side, what it should be. Okay, so that's how you do that one. See you guys later.